Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be telling which coding language should you learn in 2021. So before we jump into it, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below if you thought my list was correct. Let's jump right into it. So the first language that I'm going to be covering that I think you guys should learn is Python. So Python is a great language, and if you are a young developer, then Python is perfect for you. Python is a rising language already used by many developers, but currently there are not as many Python jobs as the other language on this list. So if you're young and you have 10, 15 years ahead of you for getting a job, then I think you should learn Python. The pros of Python are it's very easy to learn. As you can see, I learned Python. I have many tutorials on my channel on how to learn Python and how to learn the libraries that come with it. And it's a versatile language. You can do machine learning with it. You can make websites. You can do database. You can do data structures, and you can name many more things. Also, Python has a great community, so any question that you have, it's most likely already been answered by another person on the Python community. So next up on this list is, as many of you guessed it, Java. If you are a middle-aged developer looking to get a job in the coming years, then Java is for you. Java is already used by millions of developers, but according to many developers, Java will be overtaken by Python in the near future. So the pros of Java are it's object oriented, which makes it reusable. So you, as soon as you coded a person, let's say you're making a game and you coded a character, you can reuse that character in a different game and another time if you want. And like Python, Java also has a great community, so you guys can ask or get answers to any of your questions if you're having issues. So that's it for this video. If you liked this video, subscribe to the channel and comment down below if you thought I got it correct. Thanks for listening. That was Decodes. Peace out.